always hold my 3D pen with my thumb right over top of the start and the stop button. I'm starting this hexagon by going around the outside of the edge first. And to fill it in, I'm using a loose zigzag pattern, but you could actually go in any direction that you want to go. You could go in a random pattern or fill it in using a swirly pattern. A really important tip to remember when using a 3D pen is that that plastic is always moving and always coming out of that pen. And so you have to keep your hand always moving right along with it. On this triangle, I'm going to use strokes that are closer together, and that's going to make the shape feel more solid when I get done filling it in. If you happen to be short on time or short on filament, you can always just go around the outsides of these shapes only and just leave the inside blank. That is completely fine. And my final tip when doing anything with 3D pens is don't try and move your shapes that you've made until the plastic is completely cooled and hardened. When you do get all your shapes built, you can start using your tangrams to make your puzzles or make different animals or shapes that you want to do. I don't know if you can tell what I'm making here yet, but once I get these shapes put into place, you're going to see that I have made a rocket ship.